Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, students from the Port Antonio High School in Portland are on a mission to restore and preserve mangroves in the parish. Details in this report.
Mangroves, a natural gem to the ecosystem, but a resource often disregarded by humans. However, for budding environmentalists at the Port Antonio High School, preserving mangroves is not only a passion, but a necessity.
Humans need oxygen in order to live, and mangrove provide that oxygen. And it also absorbs the carbon dioxide.
Antoine Gordon believes preventing soil erosion is extremely crucial, as the soil promotes plant health as well as preventing natural hazards. His classmates agree.
People are cutting down the mangrove to like build hotels and houses and highway, and there's not gonna be like pretty health like if like what would I say like storms that are like come in and like blow with the roads and no mangroves are there to protect it.
The mangrove helps to keep like the garbages away from the sea.
They really help nurse the animals and allow them to thrive instead of having to deal with predators.
This venture, which is being facilitated by the Alligator Head Foundation under their jamming program, sees the students studying mangrove seedlings over an 8-month period, monitoring their growth. Research project manager Denise Henry says the initiative is geared towards 4th and 5th formers as part of completing their CSEC diploma.
It's an interactive program that takes them into the field. So they've done transects in the mangroves where they look at what they can see, what they can hear. How is it being influenced by humans? We bring animals into the classroom so they get the experience of handling a starfish, a sea urchin, things that they would never have necessarily gotten that experience before.
Khadija Davis believes that Jamaicans should put more effort in protecting mangroves.
People cut them down to try build buildings, hotels, and sometimes they cut them to build decks and roads too. So we get look a bit of mangrove left, and there's not enough to protect the ocean.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.
A Ray of Hope.